Today, we'll cover how to maintain your Shark Navigator robot and base. To ensure the best cleaning performance, we recommend that you perform maintenance every 30 days or as needed to ensure the robot continues to navigate and clean optimally. Before performing any maintenance on your robot, slide the robot off the base and turn off the power by holding down the dock button for 5 to 7 seconds. It's important to keep the navigation sensor on the front of the robot clean. Using a cotton swab, gently remove any hair or debris. With a dry cloth or cotton swab, gently dust off the sensors and charging contacts located on the bottom and sides of the robot. To clean your robot's brush roll, push up on the tabs on the brush roll door. Then lift it off the robot. Take out the brush roll and remove any hair or debris. Clean both end caps. Remove any hair or debris from the interior brush roll compartment. Be sure to check the ends of the compartment for any remaining debris. Reinstall the brush roll, inserting the flat end first. Close the brush roll access door and press down until both sides click into place. To clean your robot's side brush, carefully detach it from the robot. Carefully unwind and remove any string or hair wrapped around the brush or gear. Gently wipe the brush with a dry cloth, then reinstall it. To clean the wheels on the underside of the robot, gently rotate each wheel while lightly brushing away dirt and debris with a dry cloth. To clean your robot's dust bin, remove it from the back of the robot. Hold the bin over the trash, open it up, and carefully tap to remove any debris. Clean the interior of the bin by wiping it with a clean, dry cloth. With the dust bin removed, pull the filter out using the blue tabs. Hold the filter over the trash and lightly tap off any debris. Reinsert the filter into the dustbin and the dustbin into the robot. Your robot is ready to get back to cleaning. To power it back on, press and hold the dock button for 5 to 7 seconds or place it on the charging base. Before performing any maintenance on the robot base, first turn off the power by unplugging the cord from its power source. It's recommended to perform the following maintenance as needed to ensure the proper functionality of the robot base. To clean the charging contacts on the base, use a dry cloth to wipe away any debris. The following maintenance instructions apply if your model includes an auto-empty base. It's recommended to empty the base dustbin once a month or as needed. To empty the base dustbin, press the release button and slide the dustbin out to the side. Hold the bin over a trash can and press the orange release button on the bottom of the bin. Lightly tap the dustbin against the inside of the trash can to ensure all debris is emptied. Once emptied, reinstall the dustbin back into the base. We recommend cleaning the pre-motor filters in the base once a month or as needed. Locate the filter door on the top left of the base and open the lid. Carefully lift out the pre-motor foam filter by the handle, followed by the felt filter underneath. Tap both filters over the trash to remove large debris. Rinse both filters with cold water and allow them to air dry for at least 48 hours before reinstalling. We recommend cleaning the post-motor filter in the base every 6 months or as needed. Locate the filter door on the bottom right side of the base. Press down on the filter cover release tab and remove the filter door. Remove the post-motor foam filter. Tap the filter clean over a trash can, then reinstall the filter and filter door. Your robot is ready to get back to it. To power it back on, plug in the base to a functioning power outlet and reinstall the robot. If you're looking for more information or cleaning tips, visit us at sharkclean.com.